Ladies and gentlemen, it's a pleasure to welcome you to Miami, where the local time is 5:49. Please remain seated with your seatbelts securely fastened until the seatbelt sign is turned off, and please keep all the aisles clear of any carrying items. Use caution when you open the supermarket bins as items tend to shift during in-play. At this time, you may now use your cell phones. Please take this image over on your seat in the seat pocket in front of you for those personal articles you brought aboard. So once you exit the aircraft for security purposes, you are not allowed to come back in. As a reminder, Miami is the first port of entry into the United States, and all passengers must clear immigration and customs. If you have any domestic connections here in Miami, please do not forget to collect your checked luggage as it does not transfer automatically. Once you exit the customs hall, please follow the signs to recheck your bags and to your connecting flights. On behalf of American Airlines and one more partners, especially this Miami-based crew, we want to thank you for flying with us today. We want to wish you a blessed stay here in the Miami area or wherever your travel plans may take you. Señora pasajero, le queremos dar la bienvenida a la ciudad